Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, or we can just call them quick analysis because it's Monday. We just did our weekly analysis yesterday. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We know very well that Biden dropped out of the race. So now we left with Trump and maybe Kamala Harris. So the question is, with that drop, will that have a positive or a negative impact on the market? I think that will have a positive impact on the market. We know very well that that leaves Trump with enough chance of actually winning because it's been on the race for quite some time. So, and we know that very well that Trump actually favors business or businesses, right? So, and he actually always talk about inflation, cutting the rates and stuff like that. And I think he will have that influence, you see. So I think we will see maybe the likes of US30, Nasdaq, S&P 500 going higher. And when we see the dollar going down or maybe selling, it's not like it's really bad for the dollar. It's just that maybe we will be expecting some very good news. And when we see the dollar going down, that is actually good for consumers because that will mean that we will see inflation going down. But already inflation has been going down. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next wire. Let's push to the analysis then. So for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, we still have that 50% special. Just scan that QR code or WhatsApp me. I think by the end of the week, we will actually establish our website, guys. I think I've been lazy to create that website. So maybe by Friday or before that, I will be done, and yeah, I will share my website. So what's happening on dollar index? So this shows the strength of the dollar. So obviously we can see that the market has been playing around this support area. So this is our support area, a horizontal, and we have this also diagonal support. The market reached this diagonal support and it seems like it's gonna be going even higher. But with that drop out of Biden, the question is, will we have maybe a reversal or not? So we'll have to wait and see what will happen once the market opens. Yes, here we can say we have a steep structure there. That is actually it's a nice resistant structure, but the overall momentum here, it's still bullish. So the question is, are we going to see the market respecting these areas and going higher? Or maybe this is going to be different. So it's up to the market, then we will be ready for that. So, but at the moment, it seems like maybe the market might try to break out, and that is actually what I want. But if it goes up, it means that the dollar will be gaining some momentum, and there is nothing that we can do. We just have to go with the flow. We just have to go with the flow of the market, right? So for those who want to be part of our mentorship, we still have that special $450 coming from $350. So for more information, just WhatsApp me. So on USD as you saw, we had that breakout, which is very good. The overall structure was a very nice uptrend structure. You can see that we are coming from this nice uptrend until we get that breakout. So the question is, will the market try to go even higher? Sorry, will the market continue going down after this breakout? So we had this nice breakout. It shows us that it seems like the dollar will be losing that momentum, and that is going to be very good. But at the moment, we have this support area, and on top there already we have that resistant area. So we have a chance for the market just to play around before we see a nice continuation of that sell. Yes, with this type of a structure, that shows us this is the start of a downtrend, but we don't really have to rush here. We need to relax before we jump in if the market continues like that. So the best area is going to be waiting for the market to break this support area before we continue going even lower. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be Gbpusd. So at the moment, this is what we have. the market seems to be going higher, but we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. So last week we had some very nice moves where the market actually broke out of this resistance and pushed higher, but now we have a potential resistance there. So this is going to be our next or stronger support, but around this level we also have something. So the question is, will the market move like that, or maybe the market will even reach this previous support before going higher? It's up to the market, but it seems like the market is already respecting this level. If it respects that, obviously we will be expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. Do you see that? I think that will be actually what we will be expecting going further, as we expect the market to continue going even higher. So now we are on gold. On gold, we can easily see that, yes, the market has been going up for quite some time, but we had this slowdown where the market was actually on a bigger scale. The market was just consolidating. After that, we had that breakout, but we are coming from that consolidation structure. But now we're no longer going to talk about that. At the moment, we can actually see that now it seems like the market is ready to go to the upside. Yes, we had a crazy reversal there, but the overall structure seems like will be going higher. And we know very well that there are some chances that they will cut the rates, and that it's supposed to be good for gold, even though gold did not really react to that. I think that will come. I don't know if it's going to be today or tomorrow. So the best thing that you should learn is to learn to wait. You see, learn to wait until that happens. We will see the market bouncing back quite slower or maybe aggressive. But this was a serious reversal. And yes, we tried to catch the moves around this level. The market continued to go down around this level, then the market continued to go down. So now we have this area. So we don't know if maybe the market will be continuing to go even lower, or maybe the market will end up respecting that level. This week we don't really have some aggressive economic news, but I think on Friday it's PCE. But at the moment, we don't really have much. Today, tomorrow, we don't really have anything. So the question is, are we going to see this support area respected? Maybe. So the best thing is to place your notification there. If it bounces back, it means this is going to be the only thing that we're going to have. Something like that, going even higher. And that can be a very nice swing trade, going even higher, right? So now we are on US30. US30, quite similar structure to what we saw on gold. The overall structure is actually a very nice uptrend structure. We expect the market to continue going higher, but this was a very crazy move there. Yes, the market did move aggressively higher, so we expected to see some sort of reversal. Yes, and that happened. Yes, we did smash the market around that level, and now the market is back on this level. We can see this since Friday. The market reached this level. So the question is, the market might respect this area. We might have a very nice buy there. So I'm watching that. So we'll be waiting and see if maybe we get something. So something like this might actually happen. Or maybe if the market sells, it's also good. There's nothing we can do. That will actually give us enough room to have some enough rooms to actually look for a nice buy. Yes, if the market gives us a structure that we can consider a downtrend, we're going to consider that and we will be looking for that sell. But at the moment, we are still looking bullish. Everything still looks bullish, right? So now we are on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq 100, we can easily see that yes, the stock, the structure here, it is still actually a very nice uptrend. We still expect the market to go even higher, but the market did actually go like seriously lower, coming from this like nice resistance there, and now it seems like the market will be respecting this support area. And if that happens, that will be some very good moves, because we are coming from a very nice support, and we can see we have like 1 2 3 4 5, let's say 6 or more, because the market did play around here after we had this crazy move. So this gives us a confidence that, you know what, we might see a nice reversal, and if we get in that, we just need to hold that quite longer. I don't think the market will be continuing trying to break out of that structures, right? So yeah, I think I'll have to send my signal very quick in the group. I think it's time for me to send the signal, but I will try to finish with this analysis before. Unless if the market breaks out, maybe we'll say it's time. But at the moment, I think the market will be trying to go even higher. So let's push to the next one, which is S&P 500. We had this on Friday, so it's supposed to be quite lower. That was actually a very nice pending order, which the market continues to go lower. But at the moment, with the structure, you can see that, no, man, we still have a very nice support area. So obviously, we expect a continuation of that bullish move. Do you see that? So where we are, this can be a very nice structure for us to buy. Yes, we saw the market reversing, and I think maybe that it's enough for that reversal. Maybe we will see a continuation of that buy. Do you see that? So now we are on German 30. So German 30 here, we looked at the structures because we had something like that. Now it seems like this structure start to make sense, and the market already moved away from that. So we were expecting to have a very nice buy there, but already the market moved far from that support. I think this can make sense actually, because we had some crazy breakouts there with the previous structure. So now I think this can actually work in our favor. It seems like the market is trying to do what? To give us a very nice bullish or bullish structure, or actually a very nice uptrend, right? So, whoa, oil is going down. Oil is going down. So we had a trade here which we smashed. The second one, we did not really take anything there. So what we have here is we were coming from a very nice downtrend structure, and then after we had a very nice structure, expecting to see the market continuing going higher. But after after Biden stepped out, guys, it seems like it's some very nice moves here. We see a breakout, which means oil might continue going lower. So that means, I don't know if maybe it's Trump effect or something, but it seems to be some good news, because when we see oil going down, that has a positive effect on inflation. Mostly once oil goes down, inflation also goes down most of the time. Right? I hope you understand that. So I did not really want to make this video very long. So for those who wants to be part of the team, that is my contact. Scan that QR code until we have that website. I will make sure that I finish that website by the end of the week. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.